I'm Rory Clark and I work with Cartech. I'm head of solutions with the team here. And we've already talked through the Activate phase, and we've now the Activate phases, and we've now reached towards the end of it. So we're now into the run phase. So we've now cut over into your new solution. We're now going to start ramping up our transactions. We're going to start stepping through a number of predefined scripts that we'll have agreed in advance, and your team will gradually start to ramp up activity. At the same time, we're going to have a team of folk working in our hypercare team. There may be some floor walkers supporting your teams. We may run some workshops and classes post go live for either people that weren't available, or we may have decided it's easier to show people the system for time booking or for goods receiving of materials. All of that will be done during the run phase. Typically, we have a 4-week hypercare phase, at which point we normally transition over to long-term support, whether that's ourselves or yourself. And that really concludes the run process.